In this video, I'll guide you through how to check your Google Cloud quota. Understanding your Google Cloud quota is essential for efficiently managing your resources and ensuring your projects run smoothly without unexpected interruptions. So let's dive into the steps you need to follow to check your quota. First, you'll need to open the Google Cloud console. You can do this by navigating to your web browser and typing in the Google Cloud Console URL, or simply searching for it in your preferred search engine. Once you're on the Google Cloud Console homepage, make sure you're logged in with the account that has access to the project you want to check. If not, go ahead and log in now. Now that you're in the console, you'll want to head over to the IAM and admin section. Look for the navigation menu on the left-hand side of the screen. This menu is packed with options, but don't worry, it's easy to find what you need. Scroll down until you see IAM and admin and click on it. This section is where you'll find a range of administrative tools for managing access and permissions, but today our focus is on quotas. Next, within the IAM and admin section, you'll see an option labeled quotas. Go ahead and click on quotas. This is where you'll access all the information about your current quota usage across various Google Cloud services. The quotas page is designed to provide you with a comprehensive overview of your usage limits so you can easily see how much you've used and what's remaining. On this page, you'll see a list of all the available quotas associated with your account. Each quota will have several columns showing you details such as the resource name, current usage, and the maximum allowed limit. This detailed view makes it simple to identify which resources are nearing their limits and might require your attention. If you're managing multiple projects, you might want to filter the quotas by project to make the information more manageable. You can do this by selecting the relevant project from the project selector at the top of the page. This will ensure you're only viewing the quotas specific to the selected project, allowing you to focus on the resources you're actively managing. Take some time to review the usage limits for your various services. This information is particularly useful if you're planning to scale your operations or if you're troubleshooting issues related to resource availability. Keeping an eye on your quotas helps you anticipate when you might need to request additional quota or make adjustments to your current usage. Remember, understanding your Google Cloud quota is crucial for maintaining the efficiency and effectiveness of your projects. By regularly checking your quota, you can prevent disruptions and ensure that your cloud resources are always aligned with your needs. And that's it. You now know how to check your Google Cloud quota quickly and easily. By following these steps, you'll stay informed about your resource limits and be better equipped to manage your cloud infrastructure. Thanks for watching. And if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and guides.